Greetings, fellow Illinois Chiropractic Society members. My name is Craig Reverman. I'm currently serving as your Illinois Chiropractic Society president and wanted to take this opportunity to invite you all to celebrate with us 100 years of the Illinois Chiropractic Society. It will be the last weekend in July. Mark your calendars. We're coming up on 3 weeks away. It'll be a great weekend to get away. Again, the key to this is we're celebrating. We celebrated 250 years of our wonderful nation just this past week. I've got a lot of personal reasons to celebrate. I'm celebrating 25 years of marriage as of yesterday, 25 years as a chiropractor as of April of this year, 20 years of owning my own practice as of a month ago. It'd be 20 years. So a lot to celebrate personally, but I really want to celebrate the Illinois Chiropractic Society with my colleagues, with our members. In today's day and age, everything's go, 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 go. And we do a lot of our continuing education now online. When I first started as a chiropractor, there was a lot more attendance at events and, just convenience. I mean, if we can do things virtually, we do. But this is not about continuing education. This event is truly about celebrating. That is the key word in this is celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. And we want to celebrate with you. We want to celebrate together. What better venue? We're going to be at Oak Brook Resort in Oak Brook, Illinois. There's golf. If you want to golf with some colleagues, if you want to go on hiking trails, there's a spa at the resort. If you want to get a massage or schedule a facial, call your colleagues. Let's plan a weekend, a getaway. There's an opportunity to rejuvenate that weekend. We're going to be motivated by Dr. Ryan Reeder, an excellent speaker. If you've not heard him speak, I mean, it's a prime opportunity. We have sponsorship from NCMIC and Erconia. Again, it's not a seminar. It's not a continuing education. It's more about just letting loose. There's also networking opportunities. I mean, that's what we're missing out on, I feel, nowadays in our society is face-to-face contact, where we're talking with other people in the trenches and sharing stories. And again, just look for a weekend of getting away. Personally, I want to get away to go to Oak Brook. I'm going to play some golf. I'm going to bring my family, my wife, my kids. I got 2 kids in college. I don't get a lot of time to spend with them. I know my daughter and my wife are looking forward to the spa. My son and I are looking forward to the golf course. I would love to meet fellow chiropractors out on the links or, at the gala. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a lot of fun. The Roaring 20s theme. Please take time to register today. Call friends, call colleagues from across the state. Take the time to get on the website and register for the ICS celebration. Again, we'd love to see you. Just take time to celebrate what we do, celebrate our profession, and celebrate our accomplishments. So we'd love to see you again the last weekend in July. I'll look at the date. July 31st, August 1st, and August 2nd. Those would be the week. That would be the weekend. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you.